श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Om Shri Sai
Sairam Guru Bandhus. This is M.R.K. Kishore from Sai Anugraha. I'm here to talk about an initiative that Sai Anugraha is starting from 6th May for 40 days. And the name of the initiative is Sai Vibes. Sai is the source of positive energy. And so we named it as Sai Vibes. And, the world is now fighting a deadly virus, and we need the positive vibrations generated across the globe to fight the negative energy that is currently in, right? So as part of this initiative, we are going to generate the positive vibrations across the globe, because we have participants from all over the world, and each and every participant who are there in our WhatsApp group and whoever is watching this video, we request everybody to do these 3 things starting from 6th May for 40 days. So even if you watch this video on 10th May or 1st June, that's fine. On the day you watch, you start doing these things without fail. Okay. So as part of this, as I said, we are doing it for 40 days. This initiative starts on 6th May and it ends on 14th June 2021, and it is for 40 days. And all the participants have to do these 3 things. In Satcharitra, there are 3 chapters which talk about the power of Udi. Chapter number 33, 34 and 35. They all talk about the power of Udi. Right? And so before we start this initiative, we should have utmost Shraddha. We should have utmost Shraddha on our beloved Sai, okay, and on the Udi, okay. And these are the 3 things that we have to do. And the first one, it is mentioned in Satcharitra also. Daily after taking bath, apply Udi on your forehead and take a pinch of Udi in a glass of water and drink that water. Right? The first one, daily after taking bath, you apply Udi on your forehead and take a pinch of Udi in a glass of water and drink that water. Right? And the second one. So again, mix a pinch of Udi in a glass of water and sprinkle that water in all the corners of your house, in all the 4 corners of your house. And you can sprinkle on your head, your family member's head. So sprinkle everywhere in the house and sprinkle the water outside the house. Okay, so that's a protection. Okay, so do that and tell your neighbors. If they are Sai Bandhus, they will also follow. If they are not following, pray for them as well and sprinkle. Okay, so that's the second one. Okay, so the second one, take a glass of water, add a pinch of Udi in it, mix it and sprinkle that in all corners of your house, and sprinkle on your forehead and your family member's forehead, and sprinkle the outside your house as well. Okay, and tell your neighbors also to do the same thing. Okay, that's the second one. And the third one, daily at 6 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, 6 p.m. IST, play Rudram Namakam Chamakam. Okay, play that. If you know, you recite it. Okay, if you don't know how to recite, don't worry. We will give you the link. You can play that. There are many links in the YouTube, so you can play. It will take 23 to 30 minutes. Okay, daily at 6 p.m. IST. So if you are in India, it is at 6 p.m. IST. If you are in US Eastern Time, it will be 8:30 a.m. And if you are in Pacific Time Zone, US, it will be 5:30 a.m. Right? So convert that 6 p.m. IST to the country you are living in and play that. Okay, so exactly at 6 p.m. IST, we have to play that Rudram. Okay, so as you know, Rudram is so powerful, it generates positive vibrations and it wipes out all the negative energy. And we are doing at the global level, all people doing at the same time, it generates more and more positive energy and it removes the deadly virus. Okay, so I was praying to Sripada to bless me with an idea, with an initiative on what to do. And I prayed sincerely to Swami. And then when I opened Sripada Shivallabh Charitamrtam, Swami has given this. Okay, so it is from Sripada. And because Sripada Shivallabh Charitamrtam is written by Sripada himself, and it is Sripada himself, right? He himself wrote his book, and that book itself is Sripada. Okay, so please do these things without fail. Okay, so first one, after taking bath, you, your family members, everybody, apply Udi on your forehead and drink a glass of water mixed with the Udi without fail. Second one, take some Udi, mix in the glass of water, sprinkle in all corners of the house, on your forehead, family members' forehead, and outside your house. Tell neighbors also to do this. Okay, second. And third one, at 6 p.m. IST. 6 p.m. IST, play Rudram, Namakam Shamakam at 6 p.m. IST. If you know how to recite, please do recite it, or otherwise play the audio. Okay, so it generates the positive energy, positive vibrations. As we are doing this in different parts of the world, it generates vibrations, positive vibrations in different parts of the world, and that positive vibrations will fight the deadly virus. Okay, so as I said, this we are doing for 40 days starting from 6th May, and this ends on 14th June 2021. Okay, so there are few questions you may get, right? You don't have that Rudram. So if you are there in WhatsApp group, we will provide you the link so that you can play the Rudram. Okay, and no need to worry. You don't have the lyrics and all. You just play the audio. You play the audio, whatever the link we are giving. If you are not there in our WhatsApp group, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp number +91 893 9989 We will give you the link, or you can Google it, Rudram Namakam Chamakam. Then you will get the link. It will be 23 to 29 or 30 minutes. Okay, daily at 6 p.m. IST you have to play this. And there may be questions. What if you don't have Udi, right? So because now it's pandemic time, temples are closed, right? So Baba has answered this in Satcharitra, okay, chapter number 33. So there is a story, right? The scorpion sting. So Narayan Motiram Jani, what happened? He was stung by a scorpion, and it was causing, one of his friend, he was stung by a scorpion, and it was paining. And then what Narayan Rao he did, he searched for the Udi, but he did not find the Udi. What he did, so this is what he has done. He stood before Baba's picture and invoked Baba's aid, chanted Baba's name, and taking out a pinch of ashes of the joss stick burning in front of Baba's picture and thinking it to be a Baba's Udi, applied it on the seat of pain and the sting. As soon as he took out the fingers, the pain vanished, and both the persons were moved and felt delighted. So this is what happened, right? He didn't have Udi, like many of us. We don't have Udi. So what he has done? He stood in front of Baba and he took that agarbatti ash, and then he prayed to Swami, and he prayed that this is Udi from Dwarka Mai, and he applied that wherever the pain is, and the pain is gone. Okay, and there is another one also. This is another one. Okay, so this is the plague one. Okay, so there is a devotee in Bandra, and his daughter was having plague, and then he's not having Udi. Okay, and then he sent a message to Nana Sahib Chandorkar, and Nana Sahib Chandorkar was there on the road at the time. He was in, right, so he was there on the road and near the Thana railway station, and he's not having Udi with him at the time. Then what he did, he took some earth from the road. So he took some mud, sand, whatever you call, meditated upon Baba, invoked his aid, and applied it on the forehead of his wife. Somebody's daughter was suffering somewhere, and he got the message, he don't have the Udi, and he took the mud from the road and he prayed Baba, and he pleaded for his aid. He asked his help, he asked his blessings, and then he applied that Udi on his wife's forehead. And miraculously, someone's daughter's plague gone. What was done here? There is no Udi, right? Same. If you don't have Udi, don't worry about it. If you have Udi, use it. If you don't have Udi, do this. Okay. so mud, whatever. We need to pray for Baba's aid, Baba's help. We need to have that Shraddha. Okay, so Satcharitra has answers to all our problems, all our questions. Okay, so please do follow these three things with full faith on beloved Sai or Udi. Okay, have full complete faith on these at Swami and then Udi, and do the first two steps, and the third one, play the audio at 6 p.m. IST without fail. Okay, so if anybody wants to join the WhatsApp group that we created, so that we send regular reminders in the morning and the evening and all, so please send a message to our WhatsApp number +91 893 99 89777. Okay, so whatever the two I said, that mud or agarbatti is ash and all, if you don't have Udi, if you have Udi, very well use that, pray Swami, seek his blessings, and then do the first one, applying and mixing it water and then drinking, and the second one, mixing in water, sprinkling in all corners of the house and all. Do with this utmost faith. Okay, do it for 40 days. Okay, and pray for samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. So the first one and the second one you are doing for yourself, your family, right? The first one, the Udi one, both the Udi one you are doing for you and your family, and the third one we are praying for the welfare of the world, and we are generating the positive vibrations, and we are praying for everybody. We are praying for the global family, because Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, we all belong to one family, right? Sai family. Okay, and please do, while applying Udi, please do chant Mahagraha Pida, Maharoga Pida, Mahativra Pida, Haratyasute, Dwaraka Maicha Bhasmam, Guru Srestha, Sri Saishwaraya. So this is the mantra. I'll repeat again. When you are applying the Udi on your forehead, Mahagraha Pida, Maharoga Pida, Mahativra Pida, Haratyasute, Dwaraka Maicha Bhasmam, Guru Srestha, Sri Saishwaraya. So if you are not able to chant this lengthy mantra, don't worry. Just say Sai, Sai, or Om Sai, Shri Sai, Jai Jai Sai, or Digambara, Digambara, Shripad Vallabha Digambara. Whatever the name that you get at the time, do chant that and apply it. Okay, so there is no minimum, there is no maximum. Even one time, if you do it wholeheartedly, that will be enough. Okay, please do all these steps and pray for yourself, for your family, and for the global family. Okay, samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. That's very important. Okay, so we request everybody to follow these steps and also spread the word to other Sai Bandhus and make everybody part of this initiative, so that the world will be healthy and wealthy soon, and we all will be happy. Okay, divine blessings of Sri Sai to all who watch this video. I request everyone to spread the word and make many join us and many get benefit of this initiative. Sri Sainath Paripurna Kripa Kataksha Siddhirastu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Bolo Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Jai Jai Bolo Avdhuta Chintana Sri Gurudev Datta Ku Jai. Jai Jai Bolo Bhagwan Sri Dwaraka Mai Ki Jai. Jai Jai Bolo Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba Ji Ki Jai. Shripad Sri Vallabha Maharaj Ki Jai. Narasimha Saraswati Maharaj Ki Jai. Manikya Prabhu Maharaj Ki Jai. Akal Kotakar Maharaj Ki Jai. श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. Sai Ram Guru Bandhus. Thank you for watching the video.